Hello everyone, myself Anuradha. I'm a psychologist, a life coach and an adoption counselor. I'm here because few of you have sent me queries that ma'am, how to resolve the COVID anxiety. So in this situation, I would want to suggest you all to first focus on your news intake. I would suggest you to cut down the news intake, and if you can't completely stop watching the news, I would suggest you to limit the news intake, because that's the main source through which you're getting anxious, you're getting depressed or sad, or you're having a lot of worry in you. So that's the first thing you need to say a complete no, right? And secondly, I would want to tell you all to indulge yourself in some artwork, because artwork is something that gives us a lot of happy feeling, right? And because when we make some drawings or we do paint things and we do any of the artwork, we actually release our stress, our anxiousness and our worries, right? So when we do any of the artwork, that actually brings us happiness in us. So the important point here is that indulge yourself in any artwork, whatever you like to draw, to make a painting of anything. That doesn't mean that you have to be a professional and that painting has to be a very good one. Doesn't matter. Whatever you can make, you just try it out. Make any random patterns, do any drawings, that can be some geometrical figures or anything, but try to use some colors in that can be the pencil colors, the crayons, the sketch colors and the watercolors. And when we use the brush strokes, that helps us to feel really happy. So that's another way I told you. And now I'm going to tell you the third step, which is self-care. Self-care is very, very much important. Friends, I would suggest you all to focus on to take care of yourself. How you can do that? Eat a balanced diet, do some physical exercises, because physical exercises really help us release some stress, and that helps us to really maintain our good mental health and makes us happier too. And use some relaxation techniques, like indulge yourself in yoga practices and try to do some meditation, breathing exercise that helps you all to release your stress, release all your anxieties. So these are the things. And another thing is, just focus on things that you can control and shift your focus from things you can't control. That's very much important. So here I mean to say is, whatever is happening in the entire world, obviously the situation is not in your control, right? So in your control is to take care and safeguard your own self. So how you can do that? Do not go outside, stay home, just practice all the good things. And if in case you have to step out of home, make sure that you are using all the precautionary measures, like wear the mask, use the hand sanitizer, and social distancing is very much important here, right? So these are the things you should follow. And I want to say one more thing to you all is that you have to be very much careful about the negative thoughts you have in your mind. And these negative thoughts, whenever they are coming, you need to convert them into the positive ones. That is called positive affirmations. So what I want to here say is that you need to shift your negative mindset to the positive one. Whenever you're getting a negative thought that is making you anxious, just immediately tell your mind that you need to really get better. And for that, instantly just focus your mind towards a positive one. Supposingly you're getting anxious that this thing is really making you mad, this should not happen to me, and something like that. If you are feeling anxious about, just tell your brain that you are happy and completely a safe person because you are home, and tell yourself that I am perfectly fine and going to be fine forever. Why? Because I am taking all the precautions, I am doing my best. Fine. So you have to convert all the negative thoughts into some positive ones, right? That is very much important. So and in fact, I want to tell you about the next technique. What you can do is, when you're having a lot of anxiety, what you can do is journal down your thoughts. Because journaling is something that helps us to vent out our thoughts, right? And here at this point of time, I would like to suggest you all is vent out thoughts, but At this moment, at this point of time, what you have to focus on is only on the positive thoughts, right? So try to just write down all the positive things, and maybe you can just write down few things that you are grateful for, right? We should always pay gratitude. We should every time be thankful to the things we have, and that we are blessed, we are safe, we are happy, we are home, we are with our family, right? We should write down those things. So let's say that whenever you decide to write down anything in the whole day, just write down 5 things you're grateful for, right? So this is how each day, when you're going to write down all those 5 things you're grateful for, you're going to feel positive and better. So that these all things can actually release your stress and your anxious thoughts that is going to end up your anxiety. So follow these things. I hope I have not missed anything. And right. And lastly, very important thing I want to mention you all here is there's a lot of information online. Many of the experts are giving a lot of suggestions. I would here say that you have to be really a little smart to know that what is best for you. See, we all are working from home, right? We are helping you out, we are giving the right information, we are trying to help you out in all the ways, but every individual is different. Every individual's mental makeout is different. So you need to decide what suits best to you and what information you connect with the most, and use all those things which you feel works for you, right? So you need not to do everything. You have to just choose the right information, what works best for you. So this is all about just this topic. This is all about it. And if you have any more queries, any more things, you can just write it down on the comment section below, and I'll shortly share my views on that too. So I hope all of those who have asked me about, ma'am, how to resolve the anxiety of COVID, you have got all your answers. So I wish you all very good luck. Take care and stay blessed, stay happy all the time, and most importantly, stay home. Do not go out of the home, and if in case you have to go out, you know what you have to do. So all right, thank you for watching me. Take care, all of you. Stay blessed.